Today, I'm going to show you how to actually start a project in Codex, not just a random chat. Because trust me, once you start organizing your work into projects, everything gets so much easier to find. Let's jump right in. So if I just hit new chat here, notice it creates a chat, but it's not attached to anything. It just floats here in my sidebar. That's fine for quick one-off questions, but if you're working on something ongoing, like a real project, you want a project folder instead. Instead of starting a regular chat, I'll head over to Projects and click the plus icon. I'll name this project Marketing Campaign Q1. Next, I'll click Add Folders Codex can read and edit. I like keeping all my projects inside my Documents folder to stay organized. From there, I'll create a new folder named Marketing Campaign Q1, then click Create Project, and that's it. The new project now appears in my sidebar with its own dedicated workspace. Now, whenever I start a chat inside this project, anything Codex creates, whether it's documents, spreadsheets, or other files, will be saved directly to that folder on my computer. Let's give it a try. I'll ask Codex to generate a simple marketing campaign outline. Once it's done, I'll hover over the project name and click the folder icon. As you can see, this opens the actual folder on my computer, and there's the file Codex just created. It's not tucked away in some cloud workspace. It's saved right where you'd expect it, making it easy to find and work with. You can also access the file by clicking the drop-down next to Open and selecting Open in Folder. That will take you straight to the location on your computer where the file was saved. So that's it. That's how you start a project in Codex. Quick recap. Hit Projects, New Project, pick or create a folder, then start your chats inside that project so everything stays organized in one place on your computer. Oh, and one bonus tip. Once you're in a project, you can literally @mention any file inside it to pull it right back into a new chat. That's the whole trick. Go make your first project and try it out. Catch you in the next one.